Hey there, girlfriend. Are you a busy female professional that is looking for gift ideas for your significant other? Well, you are in the right place. Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and I'm sure you're looking for some gifts that will say, I love you in a special way. And we're going to show you some gift ideas today, and we can't wait to help you do your thing. We got you covered, girlfriend. We will see you on the other side. Well, hello there. My name is Ingafay, and I am super excited to be here with you all today. I am going to share with you some perfume and cologne, perfect ideas and gifts for you and your significant other. And we're going to share three stunning Mary Kay scents that I think you will absolutely love and show you how to professionally layer these scents to make them last all day and all night. Whether it be a date night or just a night where you guys are hugging or just sitting on the couch watching a movie, we want to make sure that you have some great scents that are really going to, help your significant other just have a whiff of the scent and just instantly think of you. Okay, so we're going to start off with the first scent. It's called Mary Kay Confidently You, and let me show you what this scent looks like right here. It is a new scent that came out this past summer, and it really smells wonderful. And I would say it's perfect for the person that is confident because it's all about being confident. It has a sophisticated scent that has a blend of floral notes, and it also has warm undertones for the scent that makes it unique. And it's all about a nice love story, right? Especially since Valentine's Day is right around the corner. Now, the secret to keeping your scent and really helping it to last all day is to layer the scent. And we're going to show you exactly how to do that. And you're able to layer the scent with the scented oil that this comes with. And it's the same scent, same beautiful scent, but just in the oil. So you may be thinking, how would you use this? And how would I want to use this for a romantic evening, whether that be just a date night or even that Valentine's Day dinner that you may have planned with your sweetie? We're going to show you exactly how to do that. First of all, you're going to apply this scent on clean skin. So the oil is going to create a moisture base that will lock in the fragrance molecules. Then you'll spray the Confidently You perfume on, and it will be sprayed on your wrist. Now, the wrist is the pulse point, and it's one of the natural warmth points of your body. So when you apply the scent to your wrist, it really allows the scent to linger more and really have a scent for all day. So I'm going to just show you exactly how it's done. This is the scent. You just spray it on your pulse point like this, and then you rub it in. Really tap it in. You don't really want to rub it. You just kind of tap it into place. And it's really going to help you keep the scent all day. So if you were, really what you would do is you would take a shower and apply the oil after the shower, and then apply the perfume for your date night or your movie night at home on your pulse points. And it's going to help that scent last all day. So I'm curious, do you have a signature scent that is your go-to regardless of what you got going on? Comment yes or no and let us know what your scent is, because we would love to know what your scent is. Some people don't have a scent. I know some people have and love the variety of different scents. So I'm just curious what your choice is. So be sure to comment below. Now we're going to move on to the next scent, and this is for the special man in your life. This is the MK High Intensity Sport. So that's what we're going to share about next. And the great thing about this scent is it has a hair and body shampoo that you can apply or really your man can use to wash his body. And it's the perfect scent for the active man in your life. It has an energetic, crisp scent that combines a citrus top notes and has a masculine base that's actually irresistible. And before it becomes, well, irresistible without being overwhelming. I'll say it like that. When you layer the scent, what you want your man to do is to start off with the body wash. He washes himself with the body wash in the shower, and then when he comes out of the shower, he's going to actually place the scent on another pulse point. The first pulse point we talked about was the wrist, and now we're going to talk about another pulse point you definitely want your man to apply is behind. So you put the scent behind the ears. And why do you want to do that? Because when you put it behind the ears, first and foremost, you don't have to worry about it rubbing off because it's behind the ears. And then in addition to that, when you get up closer to your man, this is the scent that you smell when you give him that hug, when you first see him, welcome him home from work, or when you guys are, he picks you up for the date, you give him a nice hug. This will be the first time that the scent comes out, and it's just going to smell wonderful because you're really close to him. And because behind the ear is a pulse point, it's really going to help the scent stay on longer for those close moments. Okay. So this would really make an excellent gift because it allows you, again, to layer the scent with these two items. The body wash first in the shower, which is given the foundation of the scent, and then following up with the cologne itself after he takes a shower behind the ears. Okay, so he would definitely say that you noticed him in a thoughtful way when you actually give him a scent, especially if he's an athlete. Give him a scent that's centered around sports that he will absolutely love. So I'm curious, do you have a special male athlete in your life right now that you would want to show how much you care on Valentine's Day? This would be an ideal scent, girlfriend. So if your man's an athlete, this would definitely be the scent for him. Okay, so definitely let me know and we can definitely connect. I have this QR code right here that you can actually set up an appointment with me. We can do it virtually or in person, where we can sit down and kind of talk about the special man in your life, and you can tell me a little bit more about him, and then I can recommend a scent that will definitely highlight his personality based on what you share. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the third scent, which is in the MK Men High Intensity, and this is just the high intensity by itself. This also comes in a body wash as well as a cologne, and it's for the bold, confident, and attractive man in your life. It has a sophisticated blend of spicy and woody notes, and it creates an unforgettable signature scent that I think the man will absolutely love. So, similar to the sports version, you would have your man to take a shower in the body wash first, so he can have that foundation scent. And then what you want to do for this particular one is we're going to put it at another pulse point that you may not know about. And this pulse point would be behind the knees. So we talked about putting it on the wrist, and most people know that one. The other one was behind the ears, and now we're moving behind the knees. And you may be thinking, why would you want to put it behind the knees, Inga? Well, I know it sounds unusual, but what happens is that when your man moves throughout the day, the scent has a tendency to move up. It diffuses upward, which creates a subtle but noticeable scent trail that lasts for hours. And this technique is used by fragrance professionals, and it helps your fragrance stay on all day without reapplication. So with the combination of the body wash and the cologne, girlfriend, you're going to have a strategic plan for how your man can keep his scent on all day. And think about it, every time he walks, he will be thinking about you. I mean, how cool is that? Every step he takes will be all about you. So make sure that you get this for your man, because this is the scent to have, girlfriend. So you have those three scents that I showed you today. So think about the man in your life, what he likes, what does he like to do? Fragrance have a lot to do with the person's personality and making sure that they layer the scent so that a simple gift can transform into something extraordinary because every time they move, they could be potentially thinking of you if they apply the scent behind their knee. Now, I wanted to invite you to schedule a sip and shop appointment with me where we can connect. And again, like I had mentioned earlier, talk about the special person in your life that you want to buy for, and that we can find a fragrance that's ideal for them. Perfume is an ideal gift for Valentine's Day. And in addition to that, I will also help you really help you understand the power of layering the scent like we had talked about today. So just click the link in the description, or you can use this QR code to set up your sip and shop appointment for your Valentine's Day gifts. You know, Valentine's Day is fastly approaching, so you want to secure your spot today for sure. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips and special occasion gift ideas. And here's to Valentine's Day being full of love, connection, and fragrance that lasts all day with your memories. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.